Make a great choice today with the 2023 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, running boards, cruise control, clock, power brakes, compass, trip odometer, fog lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.